Hello everyone. First of all, a very happy new year to all of you. Today I am going to show you how to install the latest version of CodeBlocks on a Windows operating system. And after that, I'll also going to show you how you can easily use CodeBlock for C or C++ programming. So to watch the video till the end, I can guarantee if you watch the video till the end, you'll be learning a lot of new things. And if you still face any issues in the middle, you can always ask me on comment sections. And I'm also on Instagram now, so you can also follow me over there and can also ask all of your doubts over there as well. I'll definitely going to help you. So now to install CodeBlocks, you need to first simply go to favorite browser and then you need to search over here CodeBlocks, download and hit enter. So that's going to show you this www.codeblocks.org as a first search result. So to click on this download CodeBlocks and immediately it's going to redirect to the official site of CodeBlocks/download page. You can close this ad. So this link I'm going to provide right in your description. So once when you are here, so this link I'm going to provide right in your description. So once when you are here, you will see this download of the binary release. So you have to click on that. So when you click on that, it's going to show you that it is available for Windows, Vista and all these older versions along with Linux and Mac OS as well. Right, so depending upon what operating system you use, you need to download it. So if you scroll down, you'll see that it is available for Microsoft Windows, and this is the important point, you need to download this one. So see, it contains MinGW setup as well along with CodeBlocks IDE. So it is very important to have a compiler. So always download this one, this MinGW setup. All right, so that comes with the compiler of MinGW. This is very important. So this corresponding link is this sourceforce.net. So just simply click on that. It's going to redirect to this official site of SourceForce. So here you'll be able to see that your download will be start shortly. So you can see that it is rightly started downloading 20.0.3 CodeBlocks. So I have already downloaded it, so I'll close this. I will also minimize my browser. I'll go to my download directory, and here you can see that same file is already been downloaded over here. So to install, you need to just simply double click on the exe. It will ask you for administrative privileges. Just simply click on yes, and there you go. So CodeBlocks installation wizard is rightly open. Welcome to CodeBlocks setup. Just simply click on next over here. So always read this license agreement and then click on I agree. So see, here it has a compiler, MinGW compiler suite, right? So that's why I always recommend to download this product which contains this compiler. So if you are downloading any other versions, like let's say you are only downloading the setup, so that do not contain any compiler, so the program that you are going to write, the C or C++ program, so that not going to be compiled and it's going to throw error. So that's why it's important to download that the CodeBlocks along with MinGW. All right, so yeah, so everything you need to check. So it's going to take about 530 MB of space on your C drive, which is totally fine. Just simply click on next. So this is where it's going to be installed, totally fine. Just hit install and you can see that it is rightly started installing, right? So it's going to take some time, a couple of minutes maybe. So by the time it get installed, I'll request you please to consider subscribing our channel Geeky Syntax. So here also regularly I'm posting a lot of coding related videos, and in future I have also planned to make a complete tutorial on Java, C and C++ languages and PHP, Python and all that. So do consider subscribing this channel. If I get good amount of subscription and request, I'm going to make a very dedicated detailed video about these popular programming languages like Python, Java, C or C++ and all that. All right, and also you will get videos on WordPress. If you're interested, you can also watch all those videos here as well. All right, and also if you're interested, you can also subscribe our Geeky blogging channel. It's not mandatory. I just sometimes travel, so I make some videos, so I sometimes post that over there. So you can see it is rightly installing. You can minimize this. Let's wait for a couple of minutes over here. So welcome back, and now you can clearly see that it is almost installed. Desktop shortcut is also created. Only thing that it is asking whether you'd like to run CodeBlocks now. Yes, we want to program to do some coding, so I'll just simply click on yes. So immediately it's going to start launching our CodeBlocks. And there you go. So you can see that our compiler, this GCC compiler MinGW, is properly recognized. So everything is fine. So click on OK and click on next over here. So completing our CodeBlock setup, click on finish, and our CodeBlocks is also launched over here, right? So here you can always create a new project. So you can just click on that, and it's going to show you all different projects that you can always create. So now let's create a simple text file. So just click on this icon, new file, and that's going to show you this empty file. Will create an empty file. You can also go to file and hover over new, and you can also create an empty file from here as well. Alright, and also if you want to create new project and all that also you can do. So let's first create the empty file and write some C program. So hash include stdio.h int main, and within our main method what we want to just simply print hello world. So we'll just simply do printf, and within bracket we'll just simply do hello world, right? We'll end with semicolon, and after that we'll just simply return 0. Why we need to return 0? Because we have created an int main method, so it expects something to return. So now let's write something like this and go to file and click on save file as. So on our desktop we are going to save this file as program, let's say prog1.c, and click on save. So you can see that our file is actually saved, and now we are good to run this file. So just simply click on this run button. It's going to tell you, it seems that this file is not been built yet. Yes, we want to build it now, so click on yes. So that's going to immediately start building our project, and when it gets successfully built, it's going to open this console, and it's going to show you the output on that console itself. So we want to get this output hello world, so that is clearly shown over here. You can always press any key on your keyboard to again return back to your code, and you can start working on your all C or C++ assignment that probably you have got from your school or college. Alright, so now if you face any issues in middle, you can always rewatch this video all over again, and if you still are facing any issues, you can always comment, and I am always there to help you. And also don't forget to follow us on Instagram. You can also ask all of your doubts over there as well. And also don't forget to subscribe our Geeky Syntax channel along with Geeky Skip vlogging channel. So that's basically all about this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.